One Step, One Stride presents We Care. What you missed out on this weekend was a great cookout, book bag giveaway, dance off, and live entertainment. This is an annual event that's held every year for the community. Make sure you do not miss out next year. And if you want to be a part of this live fun festivities for the community, make sure you contact Mr. Willie Dinkins at 478-206-1225. Again, that's 478-206-1225. And remember, next year, don't miss out. Be prepared because we'll be there. We care. Remember, one step, one stride.
Rolling with these diamond hands. Hey, okay, I see her. She turned. I see you, Jack.